Hi, this is an overview of our Aatistic Dashboard, where you can seamlessly release your music with proper protection and rights management. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of uploading your release on our dashboard. If you are a new user and have not yet registered yourself as an artist on our platform, you will see a registration notice. To register, go to the Artist Registration section. Here, you need to download the agreement template provided in doc format. Edit the document using Microsoft Word or any other supported software or application, then sign it and upload the finalized agreement in the designated section above. You must also upload a valid government-issued ID proof or any national identity document in the section below. Once completed, submit your application. Our team will review and approve your request within 24 hours. As you can see, the registration has been approved. You can now upload as many releases as you wish. This registration allows artists to retain their own copyright and publishing rights for their releases. For labels, we also provide a dedicated portal where label owners can create and manage sublabels, similar to the artist registration process.